drop low. There's a feline diva ready to show. She's got moves like thunder, eyes like the night. On the catwalk, she's the queen of light. With a swish of her tail and a purse so fine, she's dancing to the rhythm, she's feeling divine. Oh, she's the cat on the catwalk, she's got that beat. Dropping low, spinning fast, she's so sweet. Bass so high, light so bright, she's the star of the night. From the shadows to the spotlight, she strides. In the club, she's the one who decides. With a meow that's electric, she owns the scene. Every beat, every drop, she's the queen. With a leap and a bound, she's in her zone. In this world of music, she's never alone. Oh, she's the cat on the catwalk, she's got that beat. Dropping low, spinning fast, she's so sweet. Bass so high, light so bright, she's the star of the night. In the quiet moments when the music's soft, she reflects on the night and the dance she's along. But the beat picks up and she's back in the game. For this cat, the dance is never the same.